Hi guys, I'm so back and I'm so happy to inform you that I've already bought another accessory of my GoPro, and as you all know, I have the casing with lanyard. It's a protector. It's the color blue one. My GoPro is charging, that's why it's there. And the second one was the GoPro Shorty, which is the I think 4.9 inches long. It's a mini selfie stick with the tripod. And this is the next one that I bought is very important because I like taking videos a longer time, and it is very useful, and hopefully soon I will be buying GoPro casing, the pouch, but for now I'll be using some of my pouches, like this one. It has all of my accessories like USB, chargers, my other Apple Watch straps, and some mounts like this with my GoPro. So hopefully this will be the last item that I'll be spending, because I wanted to save. Anyway, I will be unboxing my favorite accessory of all time. This is so good. Presenting. I'll take the receipt. Here you go. Yay. It's the dual battery charger plus battery. I covered the price. Anyway, it's $89. It is the dual battery charger and battery. It has an extra battery. That's why it's $89. So let's open it. I'm ready with my tools. This is a sharp blade, so we need to be careful in opening this up. It has a nice box. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this because I still have this and this one. And as you can see, it has a cable adapter. It's a USB-C cable. And what else? It has an extra battery. This is a good thing. This is important. And lastly, this is the dual battery charger. See, you can put the free battery along with my GoPro Hero 8 when I bought it, and then this is another battery, so you can charge it at the same time. It's so nice. And it's from GoPro. So there you have it. I'm gonna read all the instructions here, and then I'm gonna tell you what happened after, and we'll just gonna make it short and quick. And I would just like to say thank you for watching, and always follow all my social media accounts, and that's under the same username, Bruno.